a SMPS fan running. Thing is, your SMPS is fan running, LED, power LED is glowing, SMPS fan running and power LED is glowing. So then, but nothing on your system. It is a possible that it is post related problem, means RAM issue or a CPU issue, motherboard related issue, something there, some kind of chip related issues are there. Okay, so we have to find basically RAM is we'll check the RAM for issues. If no issues in the RAM, no problem. And also we have to check the other things. And there is a postcard, so insert a postcard. Make sure, sorry, insert a postcard. We can able to find what is the exact issue where it is occurred. So then we have to troubleshoot according to it, like a chip replacement, that kind of stuff. Next, on the screen, use power on the screen. It is showing unable to find bootable drive or a boot drive not found. Okay, in that cases, it can be a fresh PC. It is showing means no OS, nothing inside. Next one is you are installing an operating system. That time the bootable drive is not good bootable drive, means there is a corrupted bootable drive or it is unable to detect what is your bootable drive kind of stuff. It is not there. So that is another issue. But in generally, system is good. Yesterday it is working, today is not working. And it is showing bootable drive not available. Okay, so that in that cases, okay, so your hard disk is failed, not connected, something like it is loose connected or not connected, or a hard disk is failure. Bootloader or a bootmgr kind of stuff. Your bootloader is in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. Bootloader is bootmgr. That may be a corrupted. So that by that also it is unable to show, unable to understand that is a boot drive or not. Okay, so that is another possibility is also there. Otherwise, your C drive is corrupted. Hard disk is good, but C drive is corrupted or deleted. So in that case, is also unable to find bootable drive or a bootable drive not found. In another hand, a similar problem is boot MGR missing problem. So what is a boot MGR missing? You start your PC, on the screen it is showing boot MGR. In that cases, it is possible that your OS is corrupted, your disk is failure, and your boot MGR is corrupted or failure, corrupted or missing point. So what to do? So connect any bootable drive like a CD-ROM or a pen drive, and there is inside operating system you can find boot MGR tab. Okay. So I will show you that once. I will try. Okay. Recently I downloaded a OS. It's a recent. It is a recent, very recent, no problem. So this is a OS image file. Internally operating system, these files are there internally in any Windows operating system. These files are there, setup.exe, like this. Okay, if you see, this is a bootmgr.efi, bootmgr.efi. So bootmgr for a BIOS, bootmgr.efi for a UEFI firmware interface thing. Okay, so we have a ROM chip is BIOS chip is there. Upgrade version is EFI chip is also there, right? If you are using EFI chip, so then it is a bootmgr.efi will be loaded. If you are using a BIOS chip, so it is a bootmgr will be loaded in generally. Okay, so what you have to do? Copy the bootmgr and paste into your C drive. But in a C drive, your bootmgr won't shown directly. Okay, try to understand. In a C drive, you go to C drive. C drive is a as per Windows. Okay, so as Windows, C drive is a your main operating system drive. C drive contains operating system, applications, and user profile data. Users profile data. What is profile data, guys? Again, data on the desktop, data in the music folders. Okay, so you can see this is the data in the desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, contacts, favorites, links. These are all data is belongs to that particular user. That is a user profile data. One user profile data cannot be accessed by other user. Cannot be accessed by other user. Okay, so here it is. I have a computer, for example, here it is. Mine is not at all working. Look at here. I have a data on my desktop. So in my PC, I have two users. So my desktop data cannot be accessed by other user in same PC. So that is what I'm trying to say. That is a profile data. Again, I am going to only profile data. First of all, C drive users. You can see there is some folders. This is my username. So you can find a username from here. This is the username. Okay, my system username. Open the username. You can see some data here. This data cannot be accessed by other users. Already I told. Next, of course, we have a documents, right? So you can find those things from here also. Downloads, desktops, music, pictures, videos, saved games, links, favorites, OneDrive, documents, 3D objects because it's Windows 10. Okay. So these are the main important profile data by default. After using of multiple days, years, this data is created because of different applications. Last time, yesterday, so see, I am using Atom. It is Atom is showing here. Virtual boxes, virtual box VMs. So different thing, Eclipse related. I deleted that one. Okay. VS Code. What is extensions? So I have to delete all these extensions also. Okay. Guys, what I am trying to say is this is your user profile data. See users and username. What are the data is there? User profile data. That is one point. So your C drive contains operating system and applications. Again, where is applications in the C drive? Where is applications in the C drive? It is program files, x86. These two folders contains what are the applications you installed in this PC. By default location is C drive program files. Okay. Yes. C drive. So that one user and your username. Users profile data. Okay. So that is a location C:/. Okay. Next C:/. Program files. These two files. What it is contains is basically your application. Application game is also an application, guys. Don't say, sir, where is games are stored? Okay, applications. Okay, so what are the you installed applications? Basically, this is also same thing, applications, and it is basically 32-bit application. 32-bit. So normally we are having a 64-bit PCs, right? So for 64-bit PC, program files means 64-bit program files x86 means 32-bit applications. System is 64 in that case. If system is 32-bit, here it is, if system is 32-bit, so applications also 32-bit, right? Then what you have, only you have a C program files. You don't have any program files and x86. If you have both program files and program files x86, your system is 64-bit. So 64-bit applications goes to program files and 32-bit application go to program files x86. I hope you got the point, guys. So compulsory look at your system, guys. Open the systems, look at. No need to change anything, just look at it. Okay, don't change anything. I'm not asking you to change something. I'm asking you to check it, so you will understand more. And other than that one, see, you can see the Windows folder. Under Windows folder contains original your installed applications. So install operating system files, and very importantly in a Windows system 32 folder. The system 32 folder is another very important for your operating system, main operating system. Next, I already told if bootmgr is missing. So where is the bootmgr here? I said C drive. I didn't say inside a C drive there is a folder. I didn't say program files or Windows folder or system 32 folder. So I said C drive. So where is the in the C drive? You can see this bootmgr. So look at bootmgr is unable to see, right? We'll get it. So don't worry. Go to view. So go to view. Okay, and go to options like this. Okay, this is options. Change folder and search option. I'm in a Windows 10. This option is available here. Change folder and search option. Different operating system, the locations are different, but option is same. That is called a folder option. View, show hidden files. If it is do not show, then check it to show hidden files. Next, very important is hide protected operating system files. Hide protected operating system files in brackets. You can see recommended. Look at hide protected operating system files. There is a check mark, uncheck it and click on yes. So I uncheck the hide protected operating system files. Okay, apply, okay. Hide protected operating system files. Okay, and I open hidden files also. You can see here it is somewhere bootmgr. Okay, see bootmgr, boot sect dot back. So some backup file something. It's a bat file. Bat is different, back is different. Executable file bat. Boot nxt. Fill. Page files, sys files. Swap files, sorry. Swap file dot sys, page file dot sys. So page file dot sys has another thing, but important is bootmgr is a bootloader. Okay, so how we can able to see now because of these hide protected operating system files and show hidden files. So I'm going to log it, guys. If you want to see, this is a bootmgr. It is operating system file. That's why I'm hiding it, because if it is open directly, there is a possibility of accidental deletion. So second one is virus attacks. Any other attacks can be possible. Corruption possible. So hide protected operating system files. Do not show files. So like this. Apply. Okay. Now you cannot able to see where is that one. So that is bootmgr replacement. Okay, that is the location of bootmgr. Direct C drive only you can find it. Okay, so if bootmgr is missing, what to do? insert a CD, DVD or a pen drive. So I have a pen drive with a Windows 10 Pro inside. Okay, currently. Yesterday I installed into my cousin sister PC. So I replaced the Windows 7 with the Windows 10. Okay, so if I connect my pen drive, it is also having a bootmgr. I showed a thing, right? So operating system. So you can see there is a bootmgr and C drive bootmgr. Connect with your pen drive. Okay, connect your pen drive and there is a repair option. Go through repair option. Okay, go to repair option and select. Just try to go to CMD, copy the bootmgr file. Or Windows 10 in generally on our new PCs, direct PCs, new PCs, we have whenever you got a problem, so automatically Windows 10 can able to self repair. The troubleshooting learning in a Windows 10 is not much very required. Maintenance is important, troubleshooting is secondary. Maintenance is important always. So how do you maintain a Windows 10? But here it is. To get a troubleshoot, automatically if you got a problem, automatically throw a message, advanced startup automatically, and you better to go to troubleshooting, startup repair. So your startup repair will be try to solve the problem. Okay, guys, this is a point again. Yeah, this is also very good. C drive contain things. Yeah, system is on now. Problem solved. The first is power connection. Guys, why I'm telling like this? If in case there is a question on your screen, it is showing bootable file missing. Bootable file or a bootable drive is missing. Unable to find bootable file or a bootmgr missing on your system screen. We no need to do power connection. We need to check the main power supply. No need to check the RAM connection, right? What we have to check it directly, power off the system, remove the cabinet, check the hard disk is connected or not. Yeah, in this case, replacement of bootmgr, but hard disk failure is there. Okay, there is a solution I didn't show. So in earlier, one more solution is there, guys. Here it is. For the things, for a troubleshooting. Okay, disconnect power supply. Disconnect the power supply first of all, and hard disk connection. Disconnect, reconnect, disconnect it and reconnect it. That's the first one. First disconnect the power supply, check the hard disk connections. Okay, second step is check the hard disk connection, disconnect it and connect it. Next important, so connect power and then power on. Go to BIOS settings. On BIOS settings, check hard disk SSD, whatever it is, check the hard disk is there or not. Okay, so if it is showing hard disk means hard disk is good. Okay, if it shows hard disk and details of hard disk means what is the size of hard disk, company of hard disk, like that it is showing. Okay, means disk is good. OS is disk is good, OS is not good. That is we can able to understand from it. OS is there, not there, kind of stuff. Anything. That's why I put a OS is not. OS is not there, or OS is corrupted, or OS is not properly functioning. like that. So any word you can use it, but disk is good if it is showing in a BIOS. Okay, that is very important. Okay, next one is hard disk to any working PC as a secondary hard disk drive, check data, OS files, kind of stuff. Okay, next step. Quick backup. Quick backup of data. Okay. Format the drive. Sorry. And drive with antivirus. That is important, right? So can the drive with the antivirus. Drive means drive data with antivirus. Take the backup. Take the backup. Format the drive first. Okay. So first of all, scan it and backup. Format the drive. Format means delete entire drive. Format the drive. So delete entire drives. Are clean. Formatted drive. Next, connected to our system. Connected to our system. Connected to our system. I have written our system or our system. Connected to our system and install OS. This is a one problem will solve. This is like OS is corrupted. When it is hard disk is good, OS is not good. You want to replace the OS. What to do? You have a hard disk and you have a data in it. What to do? Connect it. Scan the data because of there is a possibility of virus. Scan the drive. Okay. Scan the drive with any antivirus. Scan the drive with any antivirus. With any antivirus and check the data and voice files, anything like a profile data, any data, profile data, any data. Okay, take the backup. Okay, so if everything is good, take the backup, format the drive, connect drive to our system and install OS and start using it. So this is one way we can able to do it. Next, I'm putting one star mark here, guys. Look at. So here is a question. Your system is full of virus. What to do? It's a very dangerous thing. So full of virus, maybe, and full of virus and data. So you cannot lose the data and you cannot work with the virus. You cannot install any new antivirus. It is also will be corrupted. Okay, there is the problem. So what it is, you can do this the same steps also. What it is, connect the drive to any PC as a secondary hard drive. As an antivirus in it, because your drive has a virus, the virus will be occupied. You know, one silliest thing in when we are earlier days, whenever we go to this Xerox shops, right? So we put a data into the pen drive. So pen drive easily will be there is a kind of virus is there. So like you connect a pen drive to PC. It is a empty one, so you formatted entire thing and just you copied one or two documents. And the virus is also auto execute related virus, or maybe some worms kind of stuff, or a Win32 virus kind of stuff. Even it will go to pen drive. Even if format that again, virus will be go immediately. So of course we have a document in our pen drive. The internet guy connect the USB cable, USB like a pen drive he connected. It shows like this is your pen drive having some virus. He said like you disconnect immediately the pen drive. No, we can't take the printout because your pen drive having a virus. If I'm asking how do you know, it is showing my antivirus showing your pen drive having a virus. Of course you have an antivirus. Scan it, then you're scanning it. You know if there is a virus, then the antivirus will delete the virus. That is the fundamental duty of antivirus is antivirus checks data is affected with the virus, is your drive having any virus, or data is affected with the virus, or application is affected with the virus, detect the virus, remove the virus, or quarantine the virus. Okay, quarantine the virus or remove the virus. That is a virus antivirus fundamentally. First of all, detect the virus. Second is removing it. So this guy is detecting the virus and not removing from my pen drive. And the problem is it can be his own systems also having same problem. Like when we connect immediately from his system, virus will be occupied and it is showing an have a virus kind of stuff. Okay, so it's something like that. Okay, there is a lot of things about a virus is guys there. Recently we are little less but very dangerous viruses also there. Point is guys, never how to protect your system, never download anything from torrent. Most important one. Next, anyway, don't use torrent client softwares. Mainly like a uTorrent example is uTorrent example. There are a lot of BitTorrent. Some people are telling it does not contain any virus, still working kind of stuff. So that is completely your wish, guys. It's point is your wish how you protect your system. Don't download applications, OSs, antiviruses. Some people, antivirus is to protect your system from viruses. Some people download antivirus from the torrent site with the key generator. Key generator is the virus, which it generates a key and insert the key into. We can insert that key into antivirus software. It will become activated. So you are activating virus software. Sorry, you are activating antivirus software with virus. Is it a weird, right? Yeah, that kind of stuff. So better don't use kind of stuff. Okay. So applications, OS, and antiviruses from torrent sites, especially. So people torrents are now it is not available, but so third-party websites. Do not download from third-party websites. For example, File Hippo. File Hippo is one of the website. CNET. Software. Some point is there. Software. Some .NET kind of stuff. Okay, so there is a third party websites will keep all the applications in one place. Alright, some applications, some are free versions, some are trial versions, some are paid versions also there. But thing is, it's a third party website. I'll show you one example. Third party website is File Hippo. Okay. Of course, certain applications you may not find from direct websites. Some applications you can get it. So for example, this is the data recovery applications. Recover is one of the data recovery application. Easy US. Recover you can use it now. Droid kit, I don't know what is it is. Nokia software recovery tool. I care like this thing. File compression, file manager, keyboard, printer fax, screencast, barcode scanning, system tuning and utilization, clock in this one. News reviews and all. I'm going to main thing. Okay, popular softwares. So office related software, virus related software, antivirus related software, torrent related software, WinRAR, CC cleaner. So these are all Profess, BitTorrent. Okay, so we have a lot of applications you can able to see from here. Desktop, any desktop, runtime, any desktop you can download it from any desktop. TeamViewer you can download from TeamViewer. Java runtime environment, JRE or JDK, you can download it from here directly, or you can download it from the Oracle website. Python you can download from the Python website, NetBeans, Eclipse, Microsoft Visual Basics. So these are all. You can download it from the main websites, or if you want to download from here, also download. But my suggestion is never download data from the third party websites is like this, File Hippos, CNET. There are a lot of websites are there. So you can go to official websites. There from there you can download. Okay. While installing any application, each option when you go to press next button. Some people when double click on a .exe file, as on screen application installation process. Next install. It is installed. Then what happened in that application? It may contains like this. Do you want to ask toolbar, Yahoo toolbar, Yahoo search engine? Okay, who want it? So we have a Google search. Don't record Yahoo search here. So what happened when you are adding this ask toolbar kind of stuff? Your performance don't improve. Here it can be hack your browser data. Your browser data can be steal and sent to somewhere because we don't know who is that one. Okay, who is ask toolbar kind of a person. And second one is Yahoo toolbar is also may not belongs to Yahoo people. No guarantee in it. Okay, if you are downloading Yahoo toolbar from Yahoo website, okay. Google toolbar, maybe if Google is providing that toolbar, okay, that's a second point. But if it is not providing some third party application giving you that Google toolbar or Yahoo toolbar or Ask toolbar, that is very dangerous. Okay, so keep your system healthy is very important by looking at a proper application, download from proper website, and while you are installing, check the each and every options. Okay, so your virus will be effective in a different ways also there. By installing application also virus will come into your system. Okay, virus hooks to your different type of viruses are there. Virus may hooks to your registry. So clean the registry is very important using a Malwarebytes kind of softwares. So here I'm writing that one also. Yeah, here it is. I given a solution. One of the solution is so disk connecting, not connecting kind of stuff. In that one, disk having a virus and OS is corrupted. So what to do? So connect your drive to any antivirus related system and scan it. That is after corruption. But how to not to get corrupted? How to not get corrupted is never download anything from the torrent sites. Don't use torrent client softwares. Okay. Do not download applications from or anything antiviruses or from the torrents, third parties, and don't use crack softwares. Okay, so crack array kind of stuff. Cracked softwares are there. Means there is a licensed software, so you can download a pre-activated softwares are there. That is not encourageable. Okay, while installing any applications, check each and every options and check means look at that options. Check or no check depends upon your requirement. Okay, that is thing. So this is to protect your system, and about our antiviruses, it will create another part. Okay, so virus kind of stuff is in a different ways is there. So any viruses effect is different. Okay, different ways the virus will come into your system. Okay, so here I didn't mention, but I have to mention that is from certain websites you will get it. Basically, torrent websites and pornographic websites will give you will like when you open that site, some links are there. You click on that link, automatically virus will be delivered to your system. Okay, so when open torrent sites on sites torrent sites. Okay, I better not to mention that words here. Okay, so like prawn sites or illegal sites or third party sites. Illegal sites, it is a better word, it is. Okay, illegal sites. So what happened? So when click on whenever you click on anything, just you click on anything, virus enters into your system possible. Okay, and by applications, games, torrents, downloads. Okay, so virus will be entered into your system. Next, viruses like malware, spyware, trojan. I have to check the trojan spelling. Trojan horse. Trojans to registry output to your registry, Windows OS registry. The registry in your Windows registry means Windows to registry. Okay. So what is the thing we have to do it here for this one? How to solve the problem? Okay. Use any antiviruses like Malwarebytes. I am using Malwarebytes, guys. Malwarebytes. Scan registry. So most scan registry for finding any malwares, trojans, and spywares. Okay, so this is what I will do regularly. Okay, so I am also use a torrent site sometimes. I'm also download some applications. I install some applications, games, okay, kind of stuff, right? So I download it from some third-party websites. Sometimes I will use, sometimes I don't. So what I will do, if I got any doubt generally, or maybe a certain period of time, I open my antivirus. So this Windows Defender, sometimes Windows Defender find directly and will give the result, or we have to go with the Malwarebytes. This is a Malwarebytes, guys. You can download freely. It's a free, for a 14 days free trial version is also there. So don't go to trial versions. So always free versions also there. It is less protective, but still it is very good for at least for a starting, because your system is working weirdly. So you don't know what to do with it. So better to go through, install Malwarebytes inside, scan your registry. Okay. Next, how to take update antivirus softwares. Next, update Windows Defender. Firewall must be on always. Okay, always on. This is about your problems if you are getting from the antivirus, and how you will get antivirus related problems, and where it is effective and how to take care. Scan your system in regular interval of time, kind of stuff. And if in case your system is corrupted because of antivirus also, or your operating system is corrupted, you have a data, so then connect your disk and scan your hard disk with antivirus, and then back up the data, format it, reinstall operating system, restore your data into normal position. It is showing unable to connect to services. That's it is not showing here. Okay, and always guys, if you are using a Windows operating system, Windows Defender is very useful. Next step. Never use two antiviruses, two or more antiviruses, softwares in PC. Okay, so it will slow down your system. Slow down your system. Never use two or more antiviruses softwares in the same PC. Slows down your PC system. Okay. So this is another point. Okay. I'm telling okay, nothing is respond. It's a 1 o'clock. I can at least tell another 10 issues. It's slowing down automatically. Yeah. So hard disk related issue I told, if in case if it is affected with the antivirus and how to maintain the antivirus kind of stuff also I told. Okay, and already I told where it is allocated. So this is antivirus virus hard disk failure. So guys, take a small break and a 5 minutes break only. Okay, so I will tell about BSOD. Next, we are going to discuss what is a blue screen of death, why it is occur, what are the things we should take care. Okay. And,